A Love Where Dark Meets the Sunlight. Chapter 7. Asmodeus didn't know who grabbed his collar. His instincts took over, and he drew his sword, ready to fight the unknown person. When he turned, he was shocked to see the princess. He couldn't believe the princess had grabbed his collar. "Princess, what in the world?" Asmodeus asked, still reeling from shock. The sight of the sword rendered Princess Iristhea utterly speechless. Noticing her frozen state, Asmodeus quickly returned the blade to its scabbard. He then turned to her, asking, "Lady Iristhea, what's wrong?"
Well, I just want to speak," Iristhea replied. "Yes? What is it?" Asmodeus asked. "Well, have you met me before?" Iristhea asked, her voice full of doubt. "No, my princess," Asmodeus replied smoothly, though he lied. "This is indeed the first time I've had the honor of seeing you. You're positive? You've never, ever seen me until now?" Iristhea pushed, her doubt obvious. "Honestly, my lady, I'm just meeting you for the very first time. Is there a problem?" Asmodeus wondered. "Nope, everything's fine. I was just hoping to understand you a bit more," Iristhea explained. "Oh, all right. If you just need to ask about me, you don't have to hide away. You can simply ask in front of everyone," Asmodeus stated. "I simply wanted to ask, and let's not forget, the entire palace is mine. I can ask from wherever I choose. Understand?" Iristhea retorted. "Yes, my lady. Perfectly understood," Asmodeus confirmed. "Very well. You may now attend to your duties." Iristhea dismissed him. "Okay, my lady," Asmodeus acknowledged. Iristhea departed, disappearing in an instant. Asmodeus experienced a strange mix of relief and sorrow. He felt relieved that she hadn't brought up their previous encounter, when she was in the garden, dressed as a maid, frantically hurrying to her room, but a wave of sadness washed over him as his dreams shattered before his eyes.
Meanwhile, Iristhea felt a wave of relief that Asmodeus hadn't recognized her from their previous encounter in the garden when she'd been dressed as a maid. Yet a pang of sadness remained. The very person who had occupied her thoughts throughout the day seemed to have no recollection of her. To banish these stressful thoughts, she impulsively chose a book from the library shelves and immersed herself in its pages. The story proved so captivating that she didn't notice the time until it was dinner. Her maids eventually located her in one of the reading areas. Upon hearing it was time to eat, she reluctantly rose and instructed Amelia to leave the book on her study table in her room. Afterwards, she joined her parents for dinner.